Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a form in HubSpot in just a few simple steps. Click Marketing in the left sidebar to expand that menu. Then click Forms to open the Forms page, which shows all your existing forms and a button to create a new one. Click the Create Form button to start, and a Choose How to Build Your Form screen appears with two cards: Form Editor for a visual builder, or HTML Editor for custom code. Click on the Form Editor card and then click Next at the bottom. A Select a Template screen opens with several pre-built options, including contact forms, event registration, and feedback surveys. For this example, I'm going to use Start from Blank, so click Use Template on that card. The editor loads, showing a blank form with an email field already in place, a left toolbar for adding fields, and form settings at the top. Click on the form title at the top and type Newsletter Sign Up to name your form. The title saves automatically as you type. Click the Add button in the left toolbar to open the Add to Form panel, which gives you all the available fields you can drag onto your form: text fields, drop-downs, checkboxes, and more. Once you're happy with your fields, click Review and Update in the top right corner. A Review and Update modal opens, showing your form settings including submission behavior and confirmation messages. Click Update to publish your form, and a Form Published confirmation appears with sharing options. Click View Form to open it in a new tab, and you'll see your completed form ready to share with the newsletter sign-up title and email field displayed. If you need to edit your form later, just go back to Marketing, Forms, and click the form name in your list. You can add or remove fields at any time, and the changes save automatically. To share the form, click the Share icon on the form detail page to get an embed code for your website or a standalone link. The form will automatically capture submissions into your HubSpot contacts, so you can track responses in your CRM. And that's how to create a form in HubSpot. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.